Okay, so now I'm going to do a PA on a New Zealand USD trade on Monday. Initially, I was actually trying to short the USD Japan, but because of the insane uptrend, it's best to take a step back and trying to go long instead of going short for this. So, but in other than that, the trade still works out. I enter at this area and actually trying to take it down to the bottom here. So it actually went downwards because it's kind of overbought right now. But it's best to stay out of this due to the uptrend, the insanely strong uptrend, and without any support and resistance too. So in other words, I went over to the New Zealand USD trade. So in the 1 hour we can see there's this breakout leg 1. Nothing about it, it's still a leg 1. Leg 1, so you can expect kind of a leg 2. But the thing is, it fails, come back down, come to the New York session. So during the New York session, you can see it's a uptrend. So I was trying to take it up to at least this level, which is a 1-to-1 trade. I entered at it's good because it's a leg 1, so you can try it for a leg 2. Then I entered long position at this area with a stop here. So if I take it out to an high, actually it's a 2-to-1 trade, but I actually just exited the position at this high, this guy over here. So what did I do correctly? First of all, what did I do wrong or what did I do right? First of all, what I did right is picking the direction. Picking New Zealand over Australia is more positive. Picking New Zealand, trying to get actually what I can do better, maybe it can, but for now I just want to just practice entry instead of trying to just practice entry and practice trades instead of trying to manage trades right now. What I need to do is get a good entry and just out at the next problematic area. That's all I need to do. So I don't expect it to go all the way high to here. It's possible, but I'm not really. I'm just going in for a quick in, quick out for a 2R trade. So first of all, when it came back to this support area, the price started to show that buyers are stepping in. When it break the guy who make the low, this guy. Then when it comes test back, actually can buy. Then when during the news opening at 8:30 again, actually try to test this area again. So when it come here, I was thinking maybe it's a long, but I could anticipate earlier. And so what can I say right now is that the large candles at news timing and opening actually doesn't mean shit. It could be a probe down and just go. So you have to always be careful of where's the flow, what's the structure. So the structure is it breaks through as a high, then you come back down test, you can buy here. If I get a perfect entry, which is here, you can take easily 3 to 4R. But overall, I think I did well for this trade. Okay.